Progressive Shorthand magazine matter. 5 seconds. Ready, start. Look at it from the Chinese point of view. I am not for the moment considering communism or anti communism. I tell you, a Chinese living in Singapore, Laos, or elsewhere, even if he is completely anti communist, is still proud of China's condition today. Stop. He has his nationalist pride that his state, his country is strong and unified. Stop. Thus is the background of China today. Stop. Of course, it did not require my going to China to know all this. Stop. But if you keep it in mind, you will understand something of what is happening in China. Stop. You and I know very well that in China today they have got a certain political structure and a certain economic structure. Stop. The rulers of China and communists. Stop. There is no doubt about that. Stop. They have evolved a political and economic system which is partly based on their Marxist ideas and partly adapted to conditions in China. Stop. We all know that it is not full blooded communism. These stop it has adapted to their conditions. Stop. So now if you ask me, is there freedom or the press there? Stop. With all respect, I shall say that question is rather unnecessary. Stop. The whole structure of government there is of a type which is completely different from parliamentary democracy. Stop. Whether you can call it a democracy or not is another matter. Stop. They call it people's democracy. Stop. That is an argument which we need not go into. Stop. My point is that it is different. Stop. We know it. Stop. What results it yields you can partly see now and ultimately the future will show. Stop. It is the future that will show whether the results achieved by the methods they pursue will be worthwhile or not or have been worth the price paid for them. Stop. Each people and especially these big chunks of humanity like India and China with long records as soon as they find freedom to function according to their wishes are influenced by various external forces industrial revolution technological advancement political ideas and so on. Stop. But if we are worth our salt, we have to stand on our own feet and function in accordance with our own thinking and conditioning of minds. Stop. I shall have little respect for India if it followed blindly the American pattern or the Russian pattern or the Chinese or the British. Stop. Then it would not be India but a pale imitation of somebody else. Stop. Over.